Again?
Oh, abroad. Welcome back. Day 3. It's almost over. Early in the morning, and I wanted to get a bike ride, but I got told the bikes ain't really practical. So got this like 50 baht for 1 hour, which is like £1.50 or something, like £1.25. And this is perfect for me. Look, empty road. There are people in sight, but it's close enough to being empty. It's a good way to start your morning. Like a morning prayer or something like that. Give you good fortune for the day. I'm really not a morning person. Surprise, surprise. So they turned up with the rented bicycles from the hotel. I didn't have one, so the guys offered to take me back in this beast. Superstar treatment. Well, that was a good way to start the day. And now it's breakfast. Then pack my bag, jump in the van. Have a look at some more stuff, I guess. Seems to be what we're doing. Looking at things. So it's a tram tour to begin with. I think that's the whole day, I think. This is my ride. Wow! I'm in San Francisco, bitch. Not bad. Let's see if this gets above 20. So they've got temples that celebrate each day of the week. So based on your birthday, you'll go to there, and then you'd meditate, pray there. This is, I think they said it was Saturday. This is Saturday's one. So if your birthday's on Saturday, this is for you. And if you ever needed some good luck, they're selling lottery tickets here as well. Apparently one of these is for Friday as well, but I don't know which one. They said it's the one with the palm showing, but I don't actually know because they're all doing the same symbol. And it's the same thing they did in the day 2 video, if you've seen that. Walking around the center, walking around that 3 times and then saying a prayer and then leaving. This one, I don't know if you can tell, I mean obviously the colours are amazing as well. So the pink is like a fabric, but the green, it's all like leaves and banana leaves or something. I got a little dragonfly on a dragon, that's sick. Hey, what's up, bro? Little baby dragonfly on the dragon. How symbolic. I'm guessing he's been blessed. 'Cause I'm all alone. There's no one here beside me. Well, you look depressed. Wrong, it wasn't the whole place represented a specific day, it was each Buddha statue. So this is Friday, and this represents thinking, be that positive or negative. Sums me up, that's all I do is think about things. So if you write your name on it, it brings good luck and wishes, so she's trying to write our names in Thai.
This is very pigmented.
So much better.
What are you doing, Emma?
I'm writing Emma and Terry in Thai.
Wow.
To give
How
us
do you know how to
blessings.
do that?
I just thought of it.
Emma.
Well done.
This one works.
Well done.
How can I?
So the name of this place we are is Nakhon Phanom. And Nakhon means land and Phanom means mountain. So it is the land of mountains. A little fact for you. So I just found out why there's so much Vietnamese influence here. It's because the Vietnam War, which they call the American War because it was the Americans that invaded, a lot of people that weren't involved in the war, like civilians and stuff, ended up fleeing. And because you can pretty much walk from Vietnam across Laos and then just cross that little river that I showed earlier, they came and settled in Thailand. And then they set up businesses and stuff like that, and adapted to the culture and integrated their culture into that into this area. A lot of them ended up staying. So it was like emigration, I guess. Yeah, emigration with an E. Yeah, due to conflict. With the question that I asked earlier, somebody crossed over and they said, "Oh, Lao people can. Foreigners have to go like 13 kilometers from this point to a bridge because they have to check in." But also, we asked if what would happen if you swam across or whatever. Well, Laos apparently still communist, so they'll blow your fucking head off. So there's your options.
Cheesecake.
What one do you want?
Cheesecake. Do you want that too?
Cheesecake.
Do you want that too?
Yeah, whatever. Right, so where are we?
So we're currently at the Ho Chi Minh Museum in Nakhon Phanom.
Yeah.
And from what I've gathered, which could be proved wrong or right after this tour, is after the war was lost, the American War as the Vietnamese call it, Ho Chi Minh, the guy that was the president thing of Saigon, he sought refuge in Nakhon Phanom here. So this is the Ho Chi Minh Museum. So hopefully we'll find out some info about him. Because I'm really into the Vietnam War at the minute. I've watched 5-part series on Netflix.
Okay.
This is Ho Chi Minh ค่ะ Ho Chi Minh the first president of Vietnam นะคะ we believe in Vietnamese the Vietnamese people เนี่ย believe Ho Chi Minh stay in Nakhon Phanom for 7 years to do something important to change Vietnam.
Sure.
การปฏิวัติ
Let me know if you want me
ใน
to
เวียด
help.
นาม
I'm just here first.
revolution ใช่ they stay for make a plan to revolution to change Vietnam but we don't have a proof that he stay for 7 years in Nakhon Phanom only I think Ho Chi Minh stay in Thailand for 7 years go to many places to talk with the Vietnamese in Thailand to รวบรวมทุกคนเพื่อที่จะ fight with ฝรั่งเศส French fight with French first with Dien Phu war and after that fight with American again ใช่ค่ะ
They said I can dress up as a Vietnamese guy.
ใส่ใหญ่
I think I want blue.
So for the last
Or maybe red.
yeah.
Maybe red. Blue.
Ho Chi Minh Museum.
You'll see. So I couldn't wear anything, but Emma can. Look at this.
Xin chào everybody. My name is Emma and I'm the Queen of Vietnam. I come on. And then
Goodbye, my friends. Sorry if I've hit cousins of yours. So that was my trip to Nakhon Phanom. I'm never going to be able to pronounce that right, but anyway. Hope you enjoyed my cultural experience. Next time I go to East End, I'm going to go somewhere a bit more Thai than Vietnamese, just because I want to try all the East End food. I've heard it's amazing. But yes, I'll see you on the next one. Get my taxi home. Have you had fun?
yeah, but I'm so tired.
Yes, shattered. Until next time, friends. Go away, go home. It's over.